beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got beautiful necklaces for you guys, and also I sell American diamond necklaces, earrings and gold plated jewelry in my website shinysaga.com. If you're interested to check out my website, I'll provide the website link in the video description box. You can check them out. And also I'm planning on a different content as well. I'll come up with the different content very soon, maybe in my next video, so stay tuned for that. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product which I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is a beautiful neck piece. This is how the necklace looks like. Beautiful necklace, you guys can see. They have given a nice stone. These are like American diamond stones. Looks beautiful. It's like light pastel green color stone. I really like the quality of this particular neck piece. This is how the earrings looks like. Please ignore my nails, guys. I always forget to paint my nails. And do you also feel the same? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know that. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 894 rupees, and it's quite affordable, and the quality is really nice. If in case you guys are interested in this stuff, I'll provide the product links in the description box. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. The packaging is not that great, but product looks great. This is how the next neck piece looks like. Looks really pretty. And you can see they have used a nice stone on this, and I'll put up a try on video also. You guys can see how this product looks like, but you guys can see they have used really nice stone and looks really pretty. It has a really good shine, and this is like a set. They have given ring, bracelet and earrings as well. Let me show you the ring first. This is the ring, this one. Let me remove this. Okay, this is the ring. Looks really nice. Let me show you the bracelet. This is the bracelet. And lastly, I have earrings with me. This is how the earrings looks like. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 693 rupees, and I feel like it's quite affordable. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. It has like 4 set, right? So you get like 4 pieces for 693 rupees. I feel like it's a steal deal. Definitely you can go for it. Let's see what we have next. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is also a necklace, of course. Okay, this is the next one. And this particular neck piece is one of my favorite. This is from the brand Zebash. Wow, this one looks so pretty, guys. Just look at this. It has like a leaf shape. The stone quality looks really good. It has a beautiful shine on it. And you get this hook as well with the chain. This is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings quality looks really good. This particular neck piece is 1121 rupees, and when you buy through Google Pay or Phone Pay, you'll get some more discount. Definitely you can go for it. You can wear this to functions as well. The quality looks really premium. Definitely you can go for it. Let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm going to show you guys is a long chain. This is how the next product looks like. This is a kundan neck piece. You guys can see the kundan work on this. Looks really pretty, and you also get to see some crystals. These are not original crystals. These are like artificial ones, and you can adjust the length if you want it long or short, however you want to wear it. Beautiful neck piece. I think this is quite affordable. I'll put the product links in the description box if in case you want to buy this product, but I really like the quality. I mean, it's quite decent. It doesn't look cheap at all. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 233 rupees. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. I'll provide the product links in the description box. Let's see what we have next. The next product, I got it in this box. This is a beautiful neck piece, guys. I think I haven't got anything like this before. It looks very different. This particular neck piece is very different. I haven't come across this particular neck piece earlier. Like, look at this. It looks so beautiful. They have given beautiful pendant. Like, it has like kundan work on this and here as well. Looks really pretty, and you get like a choker kind of a thing. You can wear it easily, and I'll put up a try on video also. You guys can see how this product looks like. But beautiful neck piece. I really like it. It looks very different though. This is how the earrings looks like. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 810 rupees, and when you buy through Google Pay or Phone Pay, you'll get some more discount. They have like 3 more colors in this. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. The quality is quite decent. Right, the last product of this haul is this one right here. This particular neck piece is also one of my favorite. It looks amazing. Let me show you guys. This is how the next neck piece looks like. I mean, just look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It looks amazing when you wear it. And this is like a kundan set and looks so beautiful. I'm in love with this particular piece. They have used really nice stone on this one. You can see this is not like those cheap quality kundan. It looks really good, and they have used nice stone on this one. I'll put up a try on video also. You guys can see how this product looks like. And there is also earrings with this. Let me show you guys. Earrings also look so pretty. Just look at this. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 1227 rupees. I know it's a bit pricey, but the quality of this neck piece is really nice. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. And if in case if this is out of stock, I cannot help it, but I will provide similar product links in the description box if in case you guys are looking something similar to this. Yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.